You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word is pronounced as massage. It comes from French massage. This is why it's got this spelling and this pronunciation. In English, massage. Some may pronounce it as massage as well. So you've got British English pronunciation massage, while the Americans say more as massage. And that's because the French pronunciation doesn't really stress on any particular syllable, massage. So you got massage or massage, okay? Now the bottom word also has two different pronunciations because it's from French masseuse. So the British English say it as masseuse, masseuse, masseuse. The Americans say it sometimes as masseuse. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.